Y'all, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy. I'm back, or at least I hope I'm back. I guess that'll all depend. We'll see how things go. It's not that I've not been doing anything, I've just been doing a lot of other things, but I've really missed painting. I've really missed hearing from you all. And so thought I'd dive in today and do something, a pour that I've never, I'm not never, that I've haven't done in a long time. And it's just going to be, we're just going to flip it out. So again, thanks for stopping by. Six colors that I'm going to be using today. I've got a green, and I got the colors from the palette board on my Pinterest, so I will have that link below. This, I wanted a peach. It kept coming out real pink, so I've added to it. I wanted a peachy color. That's what was in this palette that I chose from. I have a really pretty sage green. And let's see, I have this pretty turquoise green, or turquoise color. It is turquoise green, but I thought it was a little too, so I've added a little black to it. I'm still not sure if I'm going to like putting this in here or not, but we're going to see. This is a tan. It's pretty golden tan, but it's pretty. Kind of a saddle tan. This is kind of what I would call it. And last but not least, this is, what is this one called? Burnt Umber. Okay, now I want to figure out my sequence here. I know I want these two to kind of be close together. And then I'll probably maybe put the peachy color and then go with the turquoise green. The burnt umber and the tan. I think that's the order we're going to try. I'm going to do a flip cup. I've been flipping out to do one. I haven't done it in like a very, very long time. So I'm going to layer my paints in here. I tried to find, I wanted a little bit smaller cup, but this'll work. And I just kind of roll them down the side, and then you can see them just drizzling down in there instead of just plumping it on top. I'm going to continue layering the colors in the same order. Can you see how cool that looks? I'm not pouring very big layers of each color because I don't want them to come out like one big blob of color, of only one color. I want them to be all kind of united and flow here together. Complement each other is the hope, is the plan. My paints are mixed with Floetrol. Floetrol is nothing more than a paint extender. And I extended these out, and plus you need the flow. If you're going to do fluid art, you've got to have that motion. I use 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. Unless the paint is a heavier thicker paint, you might have to use a little bit more. Okay, I think we can get one more little layer here. And I am quite certain this is going to be way plenty of paint. Set aside my mess and get some gloves on. I can tell that turquoise is going to maybe be a little aggressive. No, that's not really the right word, but we're gonna see here. Alrighty, so now let's see what we've got. Well, that tan wanted to pop up there pretty good too. But I don't know if I even have any. I don't think I have any. But I don't. Okay, I see the little bubbles are popping away. My torch, guess what? It's empty. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna start stretching this and let's see what we get. Not really ready to let that run on off just yet. I want to keep that up here. That's pretty gorgeous. Okay, so we'll just let it go this way. Go to the corners first and see what happens there. All right, I think I have my camera too close. Oh, I didn't want to lose the orange or the burnt umber. But maybe we can pull some back out. Oh, yeah. Wow. I like the colors. Yeah, let's see more things. See a little something here. Get out of my painting. Okay, I like how all this little business right here is going on, and here. That's really cool. This is cool. It's not that I was going for a lot of cells to pop out because I didn't have anything in it to make any cells pop out, but these are forming here and here, and I really, really like that. I think those are really pretty. Oh yeah, they're still just popping. I wish my torch would work. My bad. I really don't like to be unprepared, but I didn't think about using it. Wasn't intended to plan on even using the torch, so that would be my thing there. But anyway, yeah, I'm liking this. This is really cool. I'm thinking that a little more of this as it starts to dry. hopefully some more of these will pop up and I'll show you the dried results. But thank you guys so much for stopping by, and be sure and check back.